Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to distribute your Google Classroom link. Whether you are a teacher bringing in new students or a student setting up a group project, Google Classroom makes educational teamwork very easy. By following these straightforward steps, you can share your class access in no time. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Google homepage at google.com. From here, look toward the top right corner and press the Sign In button. This step is vital for accessing your specific educational services. Choose the Google account you use for school or work, then enter your password accurately. Click Next to complete the login process. Once you are signed in, you will be back on the Google home screen. To find your classes, click the Google Apps icon in the top right, which looks like a grid of dots. Scroll through the menu and select Google Classroom to open your dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all your active classes. Click on the specific class you want to share. Once the Classroom page opens, look for the three dots on the main banner to see more options. Click those dots and select Copy Invite Link from the menu. This saves the link to your clipboard immediately. Now that you have the link, you can paste it into an email, a message, or any other communication tool to invite others. Keep a few security tips in mind. Only share the link with people you want in the class, as the link allows anyone to request entry. Be prepared to manage your student list and approve join requests if your settings require it. Also, remember to help anyone who might find the technology confusing. To summarize, just go to your classroom, click the banner options, and copy the invite link to share it responsibly. That is all for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you make the most of your digital learning space. Happy teaching and learning!